A downpour like nothing you've ever seen before. Streets become rivers, homes turn into islands, and lives are changed forever. Now, imagine that these devastating floods are not just a freak act of nature, but a direct consequence of global warming. A recent study has revealed that the catastrophic floods in South Africa, which claimed the lives of 435 people and displaced tens of thousands, were twice as likely due to global warming. The World Weather Attribution Group traced the tracks of this disaster back to the roots of our Industrial Revolution. Their research compared the climate conditions of today with those before the smokestacks started belching out their plumes of carbon. The results were startling. It appears that extreme rainfall events like the one seen in Durban are now expected to occur once every 20 years, compared to once every 40 years in a world untouched by global warming. But the effects of global warming don't stop at frequency. The intensity of these downpours is also increasing. The study showed that extreme rainfall can be 4 to 8% heavier due to human-induced global warming. The skies aren't just crying more often, they're weeping with a fury that our world has never seen before. And it's not just Durban that's feeling the effects. The research focused on the wider region and concluded that there is now a 5% likelihood of such an event occurring in any given year, compared to 2.5% in the absence of global warming. That's double the risk for communities already struggling with the effects of climate change. So what does this mean for us? It's a stark reminder that climate change is real and it's happening now. It's not a distant threat or a problem for future generations to deal with. It's here. And it's forcing us to confront the reality of our changing world. These findings underscore the urgent need for action. They highlight the impact of climate change on vulnerable regions and confirm the harsh truth we've been trying to ignore. Our actions have consequences. The heavy rains in South Africa were not just a natural disaster, they were a wake-up call. And it's time we started listening. In a world that's heating up, we're all in the hot seat. Let's not wait for the next flood to realize that. It's time to act, and it's time to change. Because if we don't, who will?